What's the secret sauce behind the most viewed YouTube videos? What makes one video trend while another gets lost in the vast sea of content? If you're looking to make your mark on YouTube, these are questions you've likely asked yourself. Well, today we're diving deep into the world of YouTube trends and how to find them. First stop, YouTube's own trending page. This is a goldmine of viral videos and trending content. It's a showcase of what's popular across various categories, from music to gaming, comedy to news, but don't stop there. Google Trends is another powerful tool at your disposal. It lets you identify search trends and popular topics. You can tailor your searches by location, time range, and category, giving you a well-rounded understanding of what's catching people's interest. Next, let's talk about keyword research. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ubersuggest can help you find the most relevant keywords in your niche. You're looking for keywords with high search volume and low competition. Those are your winners. Social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook are also great places to spot trending topics. What's trending on social media can often translate to YouTube trends, so keep a keen eye on those hashtags. Another strategy is to stay updated on industry news and events. This can be a great source of inspiration for creating content that's both timely and relevant, attracting viewers who are hungry for the latest information. Don't forget to review your YouTube analytics. This is where you can dig into the demographics and interests of your current audience, helping you tailor your content to meet their preferences while also exploring new trends. Competitor analysis is another strategy worth considering. Take a look at successful channels in your niche. What topics are they covering? How are they presenting the content? Use their success as inspiration, but remember to add your unique spin. Hashtags aren't just for social media. They can be a powerful tool on YouTube as well. Incorporate trending hashtags related to your content in your video titles and descriptions. This can increase your visibility, especially if users are searching for those hashtags. Another strategy is to answer questions and solve problems related to your niche. Platforms like Quora or forums can be a great source of inspiration, allowing you to create videos that provide valuable solutions. Don't overlook seasonal and holiday content. People often search for content related to specific times of the year, so planning your content calendar around these dates can pay off. Lastly, consider collaborating with influencers or creators in your niche. This can expose your content to a wider audience and potentially bring in new viewers. Remember, while it's important to tap into trending topics, it's equally important to stay authentic. Creating content that genuinely interests you will likely result in more engaging and successful videos. So, balance trend chasing with authenticity, and you'll be on your way to YouTube success.